Hello, good day everyone. So we are here to tackle about successful savings plan. So a financial solution tailored for you. So sa Makatwid, ituturo sa atin yung paano ba ang tamang pag-iipon o ano ba yung tamang pwedeng gawin para ang bawat isa sa atin matuto about um, retirement funding, educational planning in the future. So pakinggan natin, no? So next. So I am proud to say that I am a member of ProLife UK. I am a licensed financial advisor um, with two license, variable and traditional, uh, within the ProLife UK, which is the number one, as you can see, ranks number one in life insurer in insurance industry. So kung makikita nyo, that's issued by the insurance commission. We are the number one life insurance company. And kitang-kita naman lagi kahit na uh, maraming kalaban na insurance, pero we are number one, still number one in the ranking. So, particularly sa investment kasi ang True Life UK actually talagang pagdating sa investment siya ang nangunguna. Kasi si True Life UK lang naman ang unang-unang insurance company na nagpakilala ng about insurance and investment or BUL. So we are in the business of taking the risk out of people's lives. Ano ibig sabihin nun? So we are the company of listening, understanding, and delivering. Based on what you see, what you saw in the screen, 381 approved claims and a total of 234 million claims proceeds in the 21 days average time, turnaround time, and shortest policy age with claims of 26 days. So imagine mo, ganyan kalaki ang naitulong ng ProLife UK or having an insurance investment policy sa Pro. So sabi nga dyan, we have been helping families in times of real emergencies for 173 years. Ganun na katagal si ProLife UK. So ituturo ko about successful savings plan. So what do you think it's important to save? What do you save up for? Ano ba yung, bakit ka ba nagsasave? Bakit ba tayo nag-iipon? Para saan? Sa future? Lahat naman. Lahat may pangarap. Lahat may gustong maabot at marating. Makatapos ng pag-aaral, may pang-retirement, makakuha ng sariling bahay, at syempre, particular na yung sa health issues. So what do you want to save for? Medical needs, major purchases, education, and retirement. What do you think will stop you from working and saving money? At tingin mo, ano ba yung makakapagpahinto sa atin? Syempre, kalimitan, critical illnesses, heart disease, for example, vascular system diseases, and cancer. How much will it cost to undergo treatment for critical illness? For example, money for medical needs. Heart attack, almost 1 million. Stroke, 1.8 million. Lung cancer, 2.8 million. Breast cancer, half million. Kidney dialysis, 192k to 432k per year. So, almost half million na rin. So what does having critical illness mean for you and your family financially? So according to the Department of Health Association and Health Maintenance. So how do people provide 3 million? Kaya ba? Tingin ninyo. Kaya bang makapag-provide ng isang tao na nasa regular o nasa middle class o nasa mababang estado, itong 3 million na to for a major medical expense? Based on studies, syempre, anong ginagawa? Withdraw from savings. Ano pa? Binebenta yung properties and assets. Ano pa? Manghihiram. Kanino? Sa mga kaibigan at mga kamag-anak. Ito, ituturo namin sa inyo yung dalawang klase ng pagsasave para maiwasan natin yung ganong mga pangyayari na manghihiram, benta sa ganito, napakahirap yon. Eh kung pinaghandaan natin, mas okay at mas maganda. Ano yung una? Bank savings. Ito yung kalimitang ginagawa ng mga nagtatrabaho na rin. Yung bank savings o makapag-ipon. For example, 5,000 per month times 12, 60,000 and may interest din yon. So, ang problema, pag na-diagnose ng critical illness, yung 60,000 na yun, ubos o zero balance na. Kulang pa siya. Eh, dito sa isa, on the other hand, ito yung successful savings plan na tinuturo namin. On the other hand, yung 5,000 per month mo, inipon mo, 60,000. Ang kagandahan nito, hindi ka lang nag-iipon, may insurance ka pa, which is, for example, 1 million emergency funds available after 90 days. 500,000 education fund available year 16. For example, 16 years, 8 million retirement fund available on year 35. O for example, nagsimula ka is 30 ka na, plus 30 to 60, retirement funding mo na siya, withdrawable. 2 million death benefit, wag naman sana agad, pero if something happens, 2 million will receive by your beneficiary. Dalawa lang dyan, pwede kayong pumili, whether it is a savings account or successful savings account. Hindi namin dinidiscourage na hindi kayo kumuha ng hindi kayo mag-open ng savings account. Mahalaga din yan. Pero ang sinasabi namin dito, don't put all your money in one basket like this. Put your money in the investment and put other money or emergency fund sa savings account. Next. So, the successful savings plan is available. Ito yung tinuturo namin. For example, your financial obligation, your annual savings, lump sum, and replacement of lost income due to critical illness. So, merong income protection plan. So, hindi naman kasi natin masasabi kung kailan yung mangyayari yung ganong mga uncertain events. So, where do you want to start? Kailan? Ngayon. Ngayon yung tamang panahon para mag-start ka ng iyong planning about estate, mortgage redemption insurance, critical illness benefit, accidental benefit, confinement benefit, retirement planning, educational funding, life insurance, health insurance, estate planning. And that's all. Actually, maigsi lang din pala to. Itong presentation. So, who are the people close to you and to your heart whom you would think like benefit from this idea? So,